Okay, Sounds of Decay 2 is Severe Torture's new album, Torn from the Jaws of Death. From the land of cycling, windmills, and very tall men comes album number 6 from the long-running old-school death metal moniker Severe Torture, a band we had the pleasure of seeing at MDF this year, and they ripped it up quite efficiently, if I do say so myself. These Dutchies have released albums on impressive labels like Hammerheart, Earache, and now this one represents their second for Seasons of Mist. The current lineup has been together for 6 years, following the addition of drummer Damien Carpentier. A likely reason this album moves so fluidly through hard-blasting percussion, husky, hard-bark vocals, and melodic guitar harmonies throughout the course of 40 minutes. Torn from the Jaws of Death is 10 songs, most doing their business in the 45-minute range, and with titles like Hog Tied and Rope and Tear All the Flesh of the Earth, it's doubtful that they're contemplating Man's Search for Meaning. No, this is ripping, deftly executed bonanza of riffs and odes to senseless violence right up our alley.
A couple of spins from this disc and your neck will be sore for sure. Vocalist Dennis Schurz seems most comfortable in an old school grunt, but he does bust out some of the deicide high screams in spots, most notably in the mid-pace sections of Christ Immersion. The album is stacked with impressive guitar work from the tandem of Marvin Brasside and Thijs van Laarhoven.
Are we sure they're Dutch?
Particularly in cuts like The Pinnacle of Suffering, the harmonies adding a touch of class to the whole affair. Personally, I like them best when Carpenter settles into a pure thrash groove, then snaps into double bass mode. The man is a machine, at times sounding like 3 drummers at once, even syncopating with the vocals here and there, and the oppressive crusher, Those Who Wished Me Dead. Lots of hard pan riff goodies in that one. Cap it off with the totally badass art by the legendary Par Olofsson, and you will soon see that this disc needs to find its way into your collection. Stat. Catch them at the Brutal Assault Open Air Gathering in the Czech Republic and the Move Your Fucking Brain Extreme Fest in Barcelona this July. Summer's here, baby. May the torture never stop.
Okay, this song is Those Who Wished Me Dead.
This is the Snaggletooth Extreme Metal Podcast.